Rumpelstiltskin, you're back. I did the wash and I polished the silver like you asked.
Good. Now you can take care of this.
A baby? But where did it come from? Where are its parents?
They no longer matter. The child's mine now.
Yours? You stole him?
Yes. Scandalous, isn't it?
Shh. It's okay. Shh. Oh, shh. What kind of beast steals a child from its parents? What happened to you that made you like this?
You do best to stop asking so many questions. Ah, there it is. I have work to do. I'm not to be disturbed.
Well, at least tell me his name so I can soothe him. Or did you not even bother to find out?
Why would I? A name's a special thing. You don't waste it on something you've no intention of becoming attached to.
What do you mean? What do you plan on doing with this child?
I shall be back at sundown. Don't think about trying to hide it. I'll find out.